We just started to see that HDFC Bank has now finally woken out of slumber, started to perform. A lot of viewers, investors are still confused that whether this will be a sustainable move or not. Should one now start banking on these large cap, heavyweight banks? Will they lead the rally from here on? Will they outperform? What's your own sense, sir?
So I think the first point to answer is that I think the FOMO traders have returned into the market. Those guys, I think, who had the large pockets, who kept themselves away from this market. And as a result of which, I think some of the large cap companies, like the name which you mentioned, HDFC Bank, or for that matter, companies like SBI, or even some other banking names like Kotak Express. I guess I think those companies they continued to perform well on the fundamental side of the business, yet they were neglected in the market for a variety of reasons. In my viewpoint, I think the reason was that most of the traders I think stayed absent out of the market in the entire Nifty journey, large cap journey. Today they have returned with force, and they are basically I think putting largest sum of money. So currently, without I think material change in the business conditions of some of these companies, they are now attracting huge amount of inflow of money into the counters, and HDFC Bank is one of them. Given the situation that I think the weight allocation is taking place in the portfolio of traders, given the situation that they are taking position for 3 to 6 months or even for that matter 1 year or plus, I would think that I think some of these counters would probably rally and rally for good. As far as I think the re-rating is concerned, they'll have re-rating. On the other side, other part, I think if I talk fundamentals, likes of HDFC banks, likes of Bajaj Finance, likes of Kotak Bank, they probably moderated on their valuations. If they were at 17,000 Nifty, if they were quoting at a valuation in excess of 3.5 to 6.5 times price to book value in these banks' cases, I think today that situation, because of the growth in the profit, has created that the valuation is today is staying lower compared to what I think it used to be. So that is again creating an attractive proposition. And last but not the least, I think the people are finding meaningful entry into the market also because of the FI weights have actually gone down. So all these factors now combined together, and that is why these finance stocks are currently rallying, which I would believe that I think they have the possibility of doubling every 3.5 to 4 years from current levels.